Hey, what's up? This is how to make a TikTok video where you play with a song with a guitar. When you usually do that, you just play it through a speaker and play along and use your iPhone, and all you hear is all that jangly string noise. If you don't want that, you don't want to hear your voice or any other background noise, you go from your guitar. This is how I do it. Guitar into the input of this Boss Katana 100-watt head into here. And then there's a line out right there. That line out goes to the 1/4-inch input of this Roland Go Mixer Pro 10 or X. Put that into there. You run your computer into the input of the front. I don't use headphones. I use the headphone jack out, and I run a FR headrush speaker. Be sure to hook all your cords up and your iPhone to the cord prior to turning on that speaker, because it will pop loud. And I've seen a lot of videos on this unit and no one's ever said that. But this also, watch out for this jack, it's kind of cheesy. So you plug this into your iPhone. This is an iPhone only video. This thing does Android too, but I don't know how to do Android. I don't have an Android. So iPhone goes into the back, your lightning port of your iPhone. You set it in this little slot, face forward camera, go to video, then you adjust your level here for your input sound, because it doesn't have a knob on this for this one. So you adjust your level here, you adjust your level here. It has a clipping. You can have phantom power if you want. I have batteries in mine, but this cord and your iPhone will supply enough power. Some videos I saw, guys said the iPhone doesn't supply enough power. Mine does perfectly fine. I have a 12 Pro Max. So that's it. Guitar into head. Now this head will operate as normal. All these functions will work. You can run effects, all that. But of course, it's not an amplified signal. It's just line out. But the little internal speaker that's in here does come on, just to let you know, I guess, that it's working. It's really quiet though, but you're not going to pick that up because you're not running the microphone. You can run a microphone headset into this right here, this jack, but you're going to have mic noise. And mine was scratchy and it irritated me, so I run FR into the back of the head rush. This is a left-right stereo cord, channel 1, channel 2, into your FR. This goes into your iPhone. This goes into your computer. Adjust your levels and jam away. I'll have a video at the end of this showing this exact setup. I have the guitar a little loud so you can hear my guitar. It's not the best playing, but I just learned that song. But it's a TikTok I just made, and it's up on TikTok. So Go Mixer Pro, Amazon, $150. Is it worth $150? It makes life a lot easier, and you don't have string noise and me heavy breathing while I'm trying to play the guitar. And I like it going through the FR, but do not turn this guy on until everything is hooked up, because this thing snap, crackles, and pops big time. All right, I'm gonna put the playing video now.